Dog Advice Hotline. Geoff here. Go ahead, caller.
Geoff, it's Milo. The doorbell betrayed me again.
All right, Milo, start from the top.
I was sleeping, right? Having the dream, you know, the one with the tennis balls and unlimited cheese.
Classic.
Then, ding dong. Instant chaos. I ran to the door, I skidded, knocked over a plant, barked 17 times.
17. Impressive.
Geoff, it was an Amazon box. No human. No threat. Just a box.
And how are you feeling now?
Shame. Confusion. Minor rug burn.
Milo, listen to me. The doorbell isn't your enemy. It's your training partner.
Whoa.
Every ding is a chance to improve your sprint form. Think of it as cardio.
Geoff, you're a genius.
I'm just a retriever with a headset. Stay strong, Milo.